Hi friends, welcome to this video on packet tracer activity configuring rapid PVST plus. We will see the objectives. Here we can see configure VLANs, configure a rapid spanning tree PVST plus load balancing, and configure port fast and bpdu guard. We will come to part 1, configure VLANs. In that step 1, enable the user ports on S2 in access mode. Refer to the topology diagram to determine which switch ports on S2 are activated for end user device access. These 3 ports will be configured for access mode and enabled with the no shutdown command. Now we will come to the topology, and here we can see the switch S2. We can see the 3 end devices here, PC1, PC2 and PC3. Also we will verify these end devices are connected to which ports. Here we can see PC1 is connected to fast Ethernet 0/11, and here we can see PC2 is connected to fast Ethernet 0/18 and PC3 is connected to fast Ethernet 0/6. Now we are going to enable these ports in access modes. We will come to S2. Enable, we will go to configure terminal, and here we are going to the interfaces such as fast Ethernet 0/6. Then I will give comma. Then we have fast Ethernet 0/11 and finally fast Ethernet 0/18. Now we will give a switch port mode access, and we have to give a no shut command. Coming to step 2, create VLANs. Using the appropriate command, create VLAN 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 99 on all of the switches. Here we can see total 3 switches, and we are going to create these VLANs. First of all, we will come to S1. Enable, we will go to configure terminal. Here we are going to create the VLANs. We have VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30, VLAN 40, VLAN 50, VLAN 60, VLAN 70, VLAN 80, and finally we have VLAN 99. Now we'll create a VLANs on S2. VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30, VLAN 40, VLAN 50, VLAN 60, VLAN 70, 80 and finally 99. Coming to S3, enable, configure terminal. We'll create VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30, VLAN 40, VLAN 50, VLAN 60, VLAN 70. Oops, we did not give space here. Okay, VLAN 80 and VLAN 99. Now we will come to step 3, assign VLANs to switch ports. Port assignments are listed in the table at the beginning of the activity. Save your configurations after assigning switch ports to the VLANs. Here we can see switch port assignment specifications. VLAN 30 we have to assign to fast Ethernet 0/6, VLAN 20 for fast Ethernet 0/18 and VLAN 10 for F 0/11. We will come to the configuration. First we will go to the interface fast Ethernet 0/6, and we know that it is a switch port access VLAN 30. Now we will come to the interface fast Ethernet 0/11, and this is switch port access VLAN 10, and we have interface fast Ethernet 0/18, right, and switch port access VLAN 20. Now we will come to step 4, verify the VLANs. Use the show VLAN brief command on all switches to verify that all VLANs are registered in the VLAN table. Well, we will come to each switches. So we will come to S1. Right, here we are going to give show. Before that we have to save our configuration. So copy running to startup. Yes, now we are going to check show VLAN brief. Yes, here we can see the details. All the VLANs here we can see what we created. Now we will come to S2. Copy running to startup, and we are going to see show VLAN brief, and here we can see the VLAN what we created. Also we can see each VLAN is assigned to specific ports on S2. Coming to S3, copy running to startup. Here we are going to see show VLAN brief, and here we can see all the VLANs created. Now we will come to step 5. Assign the trunks to native VLAN 99. Use the appropriate command to configure ports F0/1 to F0/4 on each switch as trunk ports, and assign these trunk ports to native VLAN 99. First of all, we will do it on S1. Configure terminal. We have to go to the interface range fast Ethernet 0/1 till 4, and here we are going to give switch port mode as a trunk, and here we are going to give switch port trunk native VLAN as 99. Coming to S2, configure terminal interface range fast Ethernet 0/1 to 4, and here we are going to give a switch port mode trunk, and the native VLAN we have to set switch port trunk native VLAN 99. And now we will come to S3. Configure terminal interface fast Ethernet 0/1 to 4. Yeah, we have to give the range interface range fast Ethernet 0/1 to 4, and the switch port mode is trunk, and the switch port trunk native VLAN is 99. Yes. Now we will come to step 6. Configure the management interface on all 3 switches with an address. Verify that the switches are correctly configured by pinging between them. Here we can see the IP address of the interface VLAN 99 on all the switches S1, S2 and S3. First of all, we will come to S1. Enable configure terminal, and we have to go to the interface VLAN 99. Oops, we did not give it 99. Okay, and here we are going to give the IP address, and here is our address. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Coming to S2. Enable configure terminal. Now we have to go to the interface VLAN 99, and now we are going to set the IP address 12, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Now we will go to switch 3, enable configure terminal interface VLAN 99 and the IP address 13 255.255.255.0. Now we will come to part 2, configure rapid spanning tree PVST plus load balancing. The rapid spanning tree protocol RSTP IEEE 802.1W can be seen as an evolution of the 802.1D standard, more so than a revolution. The 802.1D terminology remains primarily the same. Most parameters have been left unchanged, so users familiar with 802.1T can rapidly configure the new protocol comfortably. Yes, we have seen that. In most cases, RSTP performs better than proprietary extensions of Cisco without any additional configuration. 802.1W can also revert back to 802.1T in order to interoperate with legacy bridges on a per port basis. We will come to step 1, configure STP mode. Use the spanning tree mode command to configure the switches to use rapid PVST as the STP mode. Right, we will configure this on all 3 switches. Coming to S1, we will exit from here, and here we are going to give spanning tree mode as we have rapid PVST. Now we will go to S2, exit, and the spanning tree mode rapid PVST, and coming to S3, exit, spanning tree mode rapid PVST. Now we will come to step 2, configure rapid spanning tree PVST plus load balancing. Configure S1 to be the primary route for VLANs 1, 10, 30, 50 and 70. Configure S3 to be the primary route for VLANs 20, 40, 60, 80 and 99. Configure S2 to be the secondary route for all of the VLANs. Yes, we will do this configuration now. First of all, we will come to S1. Here we are going to give the spanning tree VLAN. We have to give a 1, 10, 30, 50, then 70. You're going to give this as a route primary. Now we will come to S3. Yes, here we are going to give a spanning tree VLAN 20, 40, 60, 80 and 99. Here we are going to give route as primary. Now we are going to set the secondary route on S2. Yes, so spanning tree VLAN we have 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and we have 99. Here route secondary. Now we will verify your configurations by using the show spanning tree command. Right, we will verify this on S1. Show spanning tree. Here we can see the details. You can see all the VLANs. Right. Coming to S2. Show spanning tree. Okay. 80. 99, yes. And now we will come to S3, show spanning tree. Right. Now we will come to part 3, configure port fast and bpdu guard. That's step 1, configuring port fast on S2. Port fast causes a port to enter the forwarding state almost immediately by dramatically decreasing the time of the listening and learning states. Port fast minimizes the time it takes for the server or workstation to come online. Configure port fast on S2 interfaces that are connected to PCs. Well, we will do this configuration on S2. Coming to S2, yes, we will go to the interface with the range fast Ethernet 0/6, fast Ethernet 0/11, and we have fast Ethernet 0/18. Here we are going to give a spanning tree, port fast. Now we will come to step 2, configuring bpdu guard on S2. The STP port fast bpdu guard enhancement allows network designers to enforce the STP domain borders and to keep the active topology predictable. The devices behind the ports that have STP port fast enabled are not able to influence the STP topology. At the reception of bpdus, the bpdu guard operation disables the port that has port fast configured. The bpdu guard transitions the port into error disabled state and a message appears on the console. Configure bpdu guard on S2 interfaces that are connected to PCs. Yes, we will configure bpdu guard on S2 now. Coming to S2, we'll configure terminal. Oops, right. We have to go to the interfaces, fast Ethernet 0/6, fast Ethernet 0/11, and fast Ethernet 0/18. Here we are going to give spanning tree bpdu guard enable. Yes, now we will come to the final step, verify your configurations. Use the show running command to verify your configurations. Okay, we will come to S1 and everything we configured fine. Show running config. Yes, here we can see spanning tree mode is a rapid PVST, and here we can see the priority we given for these VLANs. Right. So we set VLAN 99. Okay, now we will come to S2. Show running config. Yes. Right. You can see these are all switch port mode trunk. So we can see here we enabled a port fast bpdu guard. Here we can see for the interface 0/18, right. So we can see the management interface. Okay. Now we will come to S3. Show running config. Right. We enable rapid PVST. Management VLAN, right. Yes, we completed this packet tracer activity configuring rapid PVST plus, and here we can see this packet tracer activity completion status 100 out of 100. Friends, if you have any doubt regarding configuring Rapid PVST Plus, please comment below. Also, if you like my video, give a thumb. Yes, and one more thing, don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you will get the latest uploading video info into your Gmail. Thank you.